Hi loves, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this amazing fluffy mango body butter. To make this body butter, you will need 8 ounces of mango butter, 4 ounces of sweet almond oil, and 20 drops of lavender essential oil. Depending on the temperature, mango butter can sometimes be a bit hard, so I always start by cutting my butter into smaller pieces. Using the back of a large spoon, I then crush the butter. This step helps to break it down into a paste-like consistency. I then add half of the sweet almond oil to the bowl and combine it with the butter. Using my hand mixer on low speed, I then whip the mixture until it is fully combined. Then I add the remaining sweet almond oil. I whip the mixture until it gets to a light, fluffy consistency. At this point, I add about 20 drops of lavender oil. This oil can be substituted for any essential oil of your choice. However, I absolutely love the fragrance that lavender oil adds to this butter, so I use it every single time. I give the butter one final mix and then that's it. A lightweight, fluffy body butter that smells amazing and it's great for your skin. To package the butter, I like to spoon the mixture into a plastic bag. Then I will snip one of the corners to form a piping bag. This helps to make filling my jars super easy. I started using body butters and body oils over a year ago, and thus far my skin has been thanking me for it. It feels amazing, I kid you not. So you guys should definitely try this out. I am lightly tapping the jar against the table to release some of the trapped air from the container. This is just so that I can add more butter and also fill up the space in the jar. I was able to get about 3.5 jars of butter from this batch. What do you use on your skin and why do you use it? Leave a comment below for a chance to receive one of these body butters made by me. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!